Ethical hacker career in 60 seconds. Hackers are mainly of two types: black hat hackers, also known as unethical hackers, and white hat hackers, also known as ethical hackers. Black hat hackers attack the computer systems of governments and companies for theft and data breach purposes. In contrast, ethical hackers attack these systems with the permission of governments and companies in order to identify weaknesses and loopholes, fix them, and make the systems more secure. This ensures that black hat hackers cannot exploit those vulnerabilities. Ethical hacking includes several fields, such as web application hacking, system hacking, web server hacking, etc. To become an ethical hacker, after completing high school, you need to pursue a Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH) certification course. You must also gain mastery in at least one of these programming languages. After this, you can acquire additional certifications from basic to expert level to strengthen your skill set and resume. The entire process usually takes 3 to 4 years and may cost around 3 to 4 lakhs rupees. In terms of salary, this depends on the number of certifications you hold. A fresher can earn approximately 6 to 8 lakhs rupees per annum, while an experienced ethical hacker can earn up to 25 to 30 lakhs rupees per annum.